up? I'm Ru. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to clean them Vans. So I got two pairs here. One from my friend, he sent me this to clean it for him. I gotta earn, you know. And this pair right here is mine. We just celebrated our 1-year anniversary. Heck yeah! So the first step, of course, is to remove them shoelaces. So we're just gonna remove them. So I'll be back. Okay, so now we removed them shoelaces. Then you ought to get a toothbrush or any brush you have for scrubbing, of course. A toothbrush works great. Now you can choose what soap you want to use. You can use like a toothpaste, but it's kind of sticky, so I don't want to use that for now. And the second option is a detergent. I have here like a detergent bar, so that's just what I'm gonna use. I suggest this if your shoes are really dirty, but you gotta be careful though. We're avoiding the canvas to get wet to avoid sole separation. So the third one is rubbing alcohol. I just put it in a spraying bottle. Now this is the best option for quick cleaning. I'm gonna be using this for my pair of shoes because this pair of shoes is really dirty and mine is just, you know, some basic dirt. So rubbing alcohol doesn't really ruin the shoes because it dries quickly and, you know, it doesn't cause like a sole separation. So set aside the laces. We're gonna get to that later. So for my friend's shoe, I'm gonna be using detergent because this is hella dirty. And for my pair of shoes, I'm gonna be using rubbing alcohol, girl. I don't want to use toothpaste for now because that is sticky. Well, you ought to get a cloth too, or a towel to wipe soap residue or some bubbles or dirt. And yeah, you ought to get some water too. I have here a tub of water. I put in a container. So yeah, let's get started. So just take your brush and dip it in the water and, you know, just try to get some soap here. Yeah. I don't think this is really, I'm really doing good, but yeah, I'm getting there. So yeah, and just get your shoe. You know, do the scrubbing. Scrub. Let's just focus that on. Okay. So we're avoiding the canvas to get wet. So we just scrub the sole. And get more soap. So we're gonna doing the half first so you guys can see the difference. So we got some dirt here that is really hard to remove. Gotta remove that. So for this, you're just gonna wipe the soap out of the shoe. So I'm gonna be doing the whole shoe now. So I'll be back. Because we don't really want the water to be soaked in our shoe, like go inside. See, this has a crack on it, so we don't want the water to get in there. I really suggest you be quick and wipe that soap really fast. And be sure that there is no bubble left because, yeah, you don't want that, right? Sorry for the noise, it's really hot. I had to turn on the fan while I'm scrubbing. This is real hard work, you know? Yeah, if you love your shoe and you want it to be clean, then you have to do this kind of hard work. So me and my pair here, we just celebrated our anniversary. and I'm so happy because it still looks like brand new, I guess. Like no cracks, like not too much problems. Use the detergent when your shoes are really dirty, but you know, if it's been dirty like for a day, you can just use the rubbing alcohol. I just use detergent if I hadn't cleaned my shoes for like a month or a week. A month, that's harsh. Yeah, but some people like their Vans like dirty. But you know, when it's dirty, it's like kind of prone to being thrown away. But you know, when it's dirty, it's like it's gonna leave. Like it's gonna. When it's dirty, it looks like old, and you have to throw it away, and really don't want that. So look, we're getting there, right? So we just have to scrubbing. So let me get back to you guys. Just get a scrub. Guys, first, okay guys, so for the part here that is closer to the canvas, just use the rubbing alcohol because it's really not safe for you to use the detergent. So I just spray it on the cloth like that. Sorry. And then we just get the focus, and then I just kind of wipe the dirt. Yeah, wait. So I got to clean both of them now. So they look like. They're much cleaner than before. See? They're like new, cool. So that's for my old Vans. Woo! So as for my pair, whoa, this looks cleaner. Yeah, the power. So yeah, we're just gonna keep cleaning this. So for this side of the shoe, or your old school, so we're just gonna clean it with some, what do you call this in our country, like a cotton swab, Q-tip, and spray that with some rubbing alcohol. This is rubbing alcohol. We're just gonna wipe that clean. welcome back. We had a little problem with the laces because the laces are somehow ruined. Not because I washed it, it's like this. I don't know what my friend did to it. Like maybe he washed it so hard so it turned like this. So we got a little hack that we use for things like this. Like you can also use this for your sweaters or whatever. So all you do is get a blade, I don't know what men call these, and you just kind of wipe that clean. Like remove all the tiny things. So yeah, I just saw this on video hack, so I hope it'll work. Also the sides, yeah. Oh hey, it somehow worked. Let me get that focused. Okay, so yeah, my phone can't focus. Okay, so I did this part. Yeah, it somehow got better than this part right here. Oh, okay, so we're doing the rest of the laces. Okay, I'll be back, guys. What's up, guys? I'm here and we're back. I finished the first lace and look, it really got better compared to this one, which looks very ewish. Ew. It's got better. Look, it's like, let me focus that camera. Like, it's like new, right? Well, at least it got better. And this one, oh boy. That's like, it has cancer stage 4. So yeah, this is my video for the laces. Well, if you got the same problem, then this would really help you. Like, just shave with this razor blade or Gillette. Tagalog, or in Filipino we call this himulmol. So, thank you for watching. Bye! And so we cleaned the Vans and it looks better. This is way better than before. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this has been helpful.